So let me explain the chicken story here. My neighbors have 4 or 5 chickens, and all of a sudden, a couple months ago, they found these babies in the woods. Well, there's a stray chicken that showed up that apparently had them, and they are gorgeous. Look at them. So these are the babies, and look at them. They have a little bit of silky in them. Now that brown one will chase those, but there's their mom right there. Hi. What are you guys doing? Why you chase the babies, huh? Why you have to chase the babies away? Why you have to do that? But look at the babies, they're so cute. They are so cute. Look at them. Run, 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 run. And then that's their mom. And you can tell she has the same markings, and she has those little furry feet, the silky feet. So anyways, I'm standing out here in the rain because my lawn progress has come to a stop. So I spent a lot of time sort of diagnosing this, and big problem is really excessive thatch. Like, I did a thatch, I picked it up with a mower, I need to do another round, but I need to scalp this down. If I can see brown grass like I can right now, see how I can see brown in all this green? This all needs to be taken down close to dirt. The problem I've got is that it's September. So if I'm gonna do this, I gotta do it now. These are those last minute decisions. Hey, is that a diesel? I hate diesel trucks. If you're a warm season person, you look at it and say, look, temperatures are cooling. I can't do too much to my lawn. I think I have enough time here to scalp this down. Today, I've got PGF complete and I've got DGL coming. I'm gonna dump some DGL on it. I've got like rain, 50% chance of rain every day. I'm fishing in the rain in the morning. So I have to really kind of make that decision. Warm season, as temperatures go down, your grass activity and growth goes down. Got it? It's that simple. We're still going to have days that are constantly probably in the 80s, so I'm okay. I need to push this lawn though one last time. I need to scalp it. I may have to dethatch it a second time. I'll show you the dethatch. And then what I probably should do is just leave it alone and put down a lot of pre-emergent, because there's a lot of weeds showing up. Now, if you're cool season, this is your go time if you're cool season. So if you have a cool season grass, you want to be focused on nitrogen. As your temperatures cool, you really want to bump up your nitrogen levels. Obviously, if your soil test says you're deficient in something, you can put that down too, but mainly nitrogen. That's where DGL really comes in. Either green chocker or dark green lawn, all fast release nitrogen. Great products to use, very mild. You're not going to burn it, but you can push it. You can put it down like every week or every other week. Just light coat, light coat, light coat. And man, it'll just, that's really what you cool season guys are going to be focused on. This is a good time for cool season since your lawn is going to be active. You can do core aeration, you can do dethatching, you can do all that stuff. But warm season people, this is when you start to tone it down. Maybe a little bit of PGF complete, or as it really gets colder, put down a little bit of PGF balance. And that's pretty much it for now. So anyways, I'll show you the dethatch. I'll show you the problems I'm dealing with. What I'm gonna do, as soon as the rain stops, I will go ahead and I will scalp. I'll put it on video. I'll scalp it down. I will probably do another dethatch after it's scalped. I'll be out here busting my butt. And I've already filled up 2 trash cans out here. So that's the story. That's what's going on. Here we go. What should I do? What should I do? So it looks like I've got a lot of green and brown mixed in here. That means I probably need to scalp. I probably need to scalp this whole thing down and bag it. It really almost needs to be dethatched a second time. Unfortunately, I think I got to scalp it down to crap and then bag it up and then start fertilizing and hope for the best. Look at all those little bugs in here. I know. You want some treats. I'm not going to give you treats right now. I'm not giving you treats. You're going to have to wait. So the opportunists are here since I'm dethatching. You'll notice who's helping me over there. Yeah, this is not good, man. There's a lot of thatch in here. Man, I may have to do this a couple times. We'll see. There's still thatch even after I've gone over it, man. Dig it up, girl. Dig it up. What you got? You got some bugs. You got some bugs. What? Alright, so I dethatched this once. This is one can, and I borrowed my neighbor's can. Filled them both up, and now I ran the mower this way. Now I'm actually running it diagonal just to keep sucking up these clippings, man. And it seems to be helping. Doing that double mow really helps. I just want to get this as much as I can down. It's a pain in the butt, dude. I'll probably dethatch again in another 2 weeks. So I almost forgot. Someone asked about the dethatcher that I bought and how I like it and what I'm using. I'll put a link to everything, the fertilizers, product, everything, dethatcher. I'll put links on the page. I'll put one page up. The lawn guides are there. Everything is there. So I bought this one off Amazon. It was $50 less than the Sun Joes I've been buying. And then I put a 3-year extended warranty on it through Amazon. Now the Amazon warranty is good because they don't want it back. They're just going to give you a credit for the full amount or send you a new one. I'm pretty happy with this. Good power, easy to assemble, just a couple little things. It comes with the blade cutters and the spring tongs. So if you have a cool season, you probably use those springs, but if you have a warm season, you want to use those blades to cut the runners. You don't want to be pulling all those runners up. And man, it did a great job out here. I didn't even have to go low. I actually used it on probably the top setting. And if I scalp this down, if I get some clear weather, I'm going to go through here and also do another dethatch with it. Oh, so here's my problem. Rain. So I've got pretty much every day this week like a 50% chance of rain. This morning I went out fishing and I had about a 4-hour window where there really wasn't a lot of rain, but now, I mean, I got to get out there. I got to scalp this lawn. I'm going to use my old McLean reel mower. I'm going to scalp it down real low. I'm going to put down DGL, dark green lawn, all fast release. I'll have more rain. As soon as I can get a break, I'm going to scalp it, put down the DGL. Then what am I going to do? I got to pick up all those clippings. Then I'll probably put down some PGF Complete the week following that. And I don't know, I may do another dethatch. Now the backyard, you want to see something crazy? Remember the bamboo that I planted that was 36 inches tall? Now this is clumping bamboo. It doesn't spread. Look at that. They're all bent over, but look at how tall. That's like 35 feet. Those shoots are going up. When they're dry, they stand up like 30 feet. So I got to go in here. I got to thin this out. The backyard. So the backyard is green, but a lot of that's weeds. So I've got some Combat Extreme coming, which is more of a cool season. It will work in the shade a little bit. So I'm going to go out as soon as the rain stops. I'm going to spray that for weeds. I'm going to put down that Combat Extreme. I need to come out here. I ordered some 30-second cleaner. I'm going to clean that pool. I'm going to pressure wash it. I got one of those cleaning robots. I need to reattach that. What else do I need to do? Do I need to trim any palm trees? Maybe need to do some trimming back here. But overall, the place doesn't look too bad. I got all my cameras up. Everything's working there. Basically, that's where I am. So remember, if you've got a warm season lawn, you're going to be going down a little bit. You can still put out fertilizer until you when your daytime highs hit the 70s consistently, that's it, you're done. Your Bermuda's going to slowly start to shut down. Zoysia's going to shut down. Just leave it alone. But you cool season guys, this is your time to shine. When you start to get into the 70s, man, that's the time for cool season lawns. So anyways, I'll do a bunch of updates as soon as this rain stops. I'll actually do some more stuff around here for you. What else am I going to do? I'll take you fishing again. I posted up a fishing video. Watch that one. Lots of sharks out here right now, but I'm catching Spanish mackerel. I caught a real nice redfish, a keeper redfish. So I'm doing everything I can, but I got to work around this weather. Talk to you later. Doc.